Hello, this is Amy on the Whimsy Stamps channel, sharing a little bit of good luck with the Good Luck Flowers, which is part of the February 10th release. This stamp set features 3 sentiments: a wish of good luck, enjoy life, and blooming, along with 8 insects and a very large double floral. This flower takes up the majority of an A2 size card, and here I am stamping it out for you so you can see the detail that you get with this flower. This would look lovely watercolored. And here I'm going to stamp the insects. You get 8 different insects, and I thought that they would look really cute as a background pattern. And here are some other card projects, and I have a video up on the Whimsy Stamps channel sharing how I watercolored the Good Luck Flowers 3 different ways, and I hope you will click on over and join me there. I hope you have a very, very lucky day. Thank you for joining us.